Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. Absolute beautiful boat here. I've got a black exterior with a black powdered fence coat railing. I got stainless steel components on here with pop-up cleats and also your docking lights. This is a tri-tune. We do have the water sports tower on this boat. It is a Sunliner Sport. It also has a bimini top that extends as well. Moving back to the stern of the boat, this does have a extended swim platform and then also safety railing here. So that's important to have so that it's legal to have passengers ride back here when you're underway. Do have a stainless steel ski tow bar, and this is powered by a 225 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. All right, welcome inside our brand new 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Sport. As you can see here, big spacious area on the stern. There's plenty of storage on this boat. Back here is a built-in cooler with a drain and more storage under here. We do have some cup holders over here and a transom remote to control all your volume control back here. This boat does have a rear-facing lounger. So it moves in a couple of positions here and folds all the way down into a complete sun pad. Again, more storage underneath here. We've got the beach tan interior and tan seagrass flooring in here as well. Nice big tower up here. And in this layout with the 250 Sunliner Sport, we have the captain and co-captain seating. This is the high back seating on this boat, and they both do have adjustable seats that do swivel. And at the helm, this is powered by JL Audio. Great sound quality on this boat. We do have the Simrad touch display screen here for all your chart plotting, navigation, engine vitals. Very accessible here at the helm. And since this is a 225 horsepower, we do have the digital throttle. Very easy to shift that into gear. Wireless phone charger here, as well as places here to plug in your phone. Since this is a tri-tune, Harris does a great job maximizing their space with a third pontoon. Right here is in-floor storage. And on the Sunliner, we do have armrests on either side. This is a very spacious boat to entertain with your friends and family. Plenty of seating up here. Again, we have cup holders and places to plug your phone in on this boat, with storage underneath these compartments. These compartments do raise up on a hinge, and it's a nice area to keep things dry underneath here as well. We do have lighted cup holders and lights underneath the seat bases as well. This is located at our store here in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, walk in, we'd love to show you around. Thanks.